Hey friends, welcome back to the kitchen. I'm so excited to see you guys. I went to Aldi, did some shopping, and I splurged. I bought myself a little gift. Guys, we're gonna test out this cast iron bread oven, see how it works. And it's blue. You know how I love my blue pots. So I'm very excited. Let's get into it. I have a loaf of sourdough that's ready to go. I'm gonna unbox it with you guys and we're gonna see how it works. Okay guys, so I've got my glove on the side because I do have a couple of cuts on my hand. No big deal. Things happen, right? So I was skeptical about these bread ovens. Is it really a necessity? I mean, I've been making my loaves of bread in my Dutch oven for so long now that is it really gonna make that big of a difference? You know what I mean? At least that was my mentality. But we're gonna see. This is the test. I bought this one because, well, here's the user's manual. Oh, it comes with recipes. Oh, cool. I bought this one because it was inexpensive. I mean, these cast iron, enamel coated cast iron pans are usually very expensive. This one was only $26.99. So that's a steal for cast iron. So here's the bottom, has little ridges. It is 9 inches. And this is our lid. It's very heavy. I love it. So far, looks great. So let's get into it. I'm gonna pop this into the oven because I'm gonna treat this exactly like I do my Dutch oven, right? I put the Dutch oven into the oven and heat everything up together. So let's give it a quick wash. Okay, let's give it a quick wash and get this heating up in the oven. Okay guys, so it's nice and dry. I just use a little bit of soap and water, a light sponge, and we're good to go. And I'm setting my oven on the bake, not on like convection, air frying, none of that stuff. Just regular bake at 400 degrees. We're gonna get that started, and while it's preheating, I'm gonna take this guy and pop it into the oven. I want that Dutch oven, or that cast iron rather, to be really hot when I put my bread in. The whole point is to create steam. That's what gives you that good rise on your sourdough. So, yeah. We're gonna let that preheat, and I'll be back in a minute with our loaf of sourdough. Okay, so we have our loaf, just a tiny little bit of flour. You can do pretty designs on it if you want to, but we're gonna eat it. Okay, I have this at just about 400. All right, I'm gonna call it. It's close enough. Okay. All right, here we go. I feel like I need to trim this. Okay. So I like to put a couple of ice cubes in right underneath the parchment just to create extra steam. You could spritz the top of the loaf with some water. That works really well as well. So I'm gonna put it in covered, and I'm gonna set the timer for 20 minutes, and then we'll be back to uncover it and see what it looks like. Okay guys, so our timer for the 20 minutes is up. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, it looks pretty. Okay, we have really good lift. All right, putting it back in for another, let's say 15 minutes, and then I'll check on it. Friends, oh, this came out so good. I just popped it out of the oven. Look at how beautiful. Look at how pretty that loaf of bread looks. So beautiful. Oh yeah, this is gonna. Oh. Okay, so I'm really happy with the way that this turned out. Super excited. $27 is not bad. Not sponsored, by the way. Just saying, for cast iron, that's pretty good. Like, no one asked me to try this. Oh, yum, it's so hot, my goodness. But it's so beautiful. We're gonna let this cool and we're gonna enjoy this for dinner, guys. I have a new bread oven, and like that, I can leave my Dutch oven to be used for the stews as intended. Because I can't tell you the amount of times that I've said, oh, I'm gonna make a stew, and I'm like, no, I can't because I need the Dutch oven for the bread later. Well, now I have a bread oven, and I can use my Dutch oven as intended. How exciting. Oh, this is so beautiful. I want to just, but you got to let it rest. Okay. Guys, thank you so much for joining me today in the kitchen. I had a great time. I got a new tool. A new toy? Toy? Same thing. Thank you so much again. You guys have a great rest of your day. Take care of yourselves and each other.